I bought well, let's start off. I bought some PETG, like 4 spools of it, of the, I can't remember what it is Salvo or Anycubic, one of them. And, well, I've had this for a while, the Salvo filament dryer. And I also got a Polymaker dryer in a dryer box, so I have 2 of those. And I guess I'm just going to try drying out my filament, because this is my first PETG, and it didn't turn out so well. My benchy looked like it was made of fuzz. So we're going to open this and see how it works. I figured I wouldn't do a normal video of this. Let's see here. Well packaged. Another one of these items. Oh, good. I was hoping they'd give me times, because I know the Polymaker comes with one. Come on, get out of there. This is really in there. It's such a fragile piece of plastic I'm holding on to. Yay, we did it. I had a solid printer once, between the Creality and the Bamboos. Oh, it's got ports for both sides for the filament to come out, and front and side, top. Anything else in there? No. Safety warning. Please open the 4 sealed plugs during the drying process. So open them? Okay, well. I'm guessing this is a power. Yeah, power brick. Anything else in there? No. This is going to be the easy one to put together. Ah, here we go. Now please tell me you have like a chart that tells me what to, well, there's how to use it if you want to use it that way. Okay, we're going to hope that there's none on this anywhere. Oh, here we go. Whoop, model number, nothing, no chart. Okay, well, we'll try Polymaker, PolyDryer. It's Polymaker PolyDryer. You sit over here. Okay. You can sit right here beside it. So, the Polymaker PolyDryer. It is not upside down. It's just looking that way. Oh, this makes more sense. Happy printing. This is a... Ah, would you look at there. Instructions on which ones to use with what temperatures. So, since I have PETG, it's 6 hours on level 2. Here is a hose. And here's my PolyDryer, if I can ever get him out of here. Polly. Probably a girl, if I can get her out of here. Empty box. I gotta say, it ain't as padded as the Salvo was. But it's also easier to open, so pick your poison. Let's keep the instructions separated. Really sealed. Now this isn't just a dryer, it is a storage. You can store in these boxes here. This is the actual dryer. This kitty sneezing. Oh, they have the instructions on here too. Good. Okay. I'm guessing this is the desiccant, because this one comes with desiccant. Kitty is sneezing a lot. Okay. Another power brick. And, well, hold on now. Oh, this whole thing connects to the wall? Okay. Sure. Okay. I've never seen one like that. Desiccant goes in here somewhere. I guess it goes right here. Yeah, it goes right here. The lighting is not so good. I didn't put up the other lights because this is going to be a fast video. Haha. Get the desiccate out of the way. Now this stuff, you cannot eat it, or you shouldn't let your pets eat it. I guess you could, but it's not advised. It explicitly says not to. Kitty, I hear you. No, 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 no. Kitty, get away. Get away, get away, get away. Get away. Oh no. Kitty, get down. Is there any way to actually get all this in there? Is this the kind of desiccate that changes color? Because if it is, it's already used. It's quite dark. Yeah, there's just no getting all that in there, I bet. It might have fit before it was this dark color. I've learned my lesson. Kitty will not come in next time I do this. It scares me. Okay, I can pull this little tab back here. Get the hydrometer working. Oh, there we go. 25. Got it. Awesome. Okay. So, my PETG. Okay, let's see if we can plug this wonky cable up. 6 hours, I gotta remember that. Now I gotta take these little feet out of here, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Yep. Okay, and it should sit right down on there. Plug him in. And, ooh, lights. PETG, 6 hours on level 2. Okay, so it's on level 1. Level 2, 6 hours is already set. Go. Well, that was easy. Now, I have a couple filaments that I really don't need dried, but I'm going to throw them in here anyway. I'm going to put another PETG in there because I got somebody wanting to come and get a roll. TVU. Let me see if they're the same time. If they are, I can put them both in here. Because that was a fresh roll of PETG, and it was not so great. Same level of temperature, so that's a good sign for the two. Okay. There's one down. This is an ancient roll of TPU. Mode. Okay, 50 is as hot as it gets. 6 hours. We'll set you for that for now, and then we'll put you on another 6 for the TPU. By that time, somebody should have come up to pick up the PETG I got. Is there a play button, or does it just go? Oh, it just goes. Okay. Well, there we go. I'll come back in another day or so, and we'll see how they're doing. Well, in 6 hours. After a bit of, well, let's say 6 hours of drying in my PolyDryer box, the PETG that I had that made that horrible benchy earlier turned out pretty good. Oh, come on. I'm not going to peel it off right now because it's still warm and I'd rather wait. I mean, compared to what it looked like, this is so much better. I think those things work. Good job.